Hey there! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about basic cybersecurity tips for beginners, because, let's face it, we're all online, and staying safe should be a top priority. Whether you're using social media, online banking, or just browsing the web, you're exposed to potential cyber threats. But don't worry, today, I'm going to break down some simple and effective steps that you can take right now to protect yourself and your devices. Let's dive in. First things first, passwords. You probably already know that weak passwords are a hacker's best friend. 123,456 or password just don't cut it anymore. Use strong passwords that combine letters, numbers, and special characters. And here's a tip: don't use the same password across multiple sites. If one account gets compromised, you don't want hackers getting access to everything else. To make your life easier, use a password manager to store your passwords securely. They can generate strong passwords for you and remember them all. Next up, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is an extra layer of security that requires you to provide a second piece of information after your password. Usually, it's a code sent to your phone or email. Even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to log in without this second factor. It's an easy way to make sure your accounts stay secure. Alright, software updates. I know they can be annoying, but they're incredibly important. Updates often fix security flaws and bugs that could otherwise be exploited by hackers. Turn on automatic updates for your devices and apps so you don't have to think about it. This way, you'll always have the latest security patches without lifting a finger. Let's talk about phishing. Hackers love to send fake emails pretending to be from banks, companies, or even friends. They trick you into clicking on a link or downloading an attachment that infects your device. So, be skeptical of unsolicited emails. Always double-check the sender's email address and hover over any links before clicking on them to see where they really go. When you're browsing in public places like coffee shops or airports, public Wi-Fi can be risky. Hackers can intercept your connection and steal your data. So, avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive activities like online banking. Instead, consider using a VPN, virtual private network. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it much harder for anyone to spy on what you're doing. And here's one last tip: back up your data. You never know when your device might get infected with ransomware or crash. Regular backups to the cloud or an external hard drive can save you a lot of stress. Alright, those are 6 basic tips to help you stay safe online. Protecting yourself from cyber threats doesn't have to be complicated, but it does require a little effort. Stay vigilant, stay safe, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you next time, and thanks for watching.